I have to say, we hate to cut down our trees, but we noticed a few weeks ago that this cedar was dead. And two of the hemlocks right next to it were dying. So for safety reasons, they have to come down. Now let's see if they can miss the garage. Whoa, baby, that was run. Okay, you can see right there, that was a good shot. This is why we had to take this hemlock down. Look at how dead it was at the top. Well, once those limbs come off, he's got to come down the tree and chunk it out. Heavier. Fortunately, we've got a place to drop all these chunks. A place to do all the chipping right here. The final piece coming down. Oh, ouch.
I was going to let it run a little more, but I was afraid it'd run too hard.
Yeah.
The limbs are going to all get chipped up, and we're going to use these 6-foot sections of cedar to make some benches.
Left or right. Not left or right, but know you're not square in the world.
Well, it's about 3 o'clock. We started at 8. We're all finished up. We had to replant the plants. By the way, we had to pull these out before we dropped those trees. We're going to leave the 2 hemlocks about this height. They're going to get some condominium birdhouses. We left the cedar tree alongside that spruce about 25 feet in the air. And then we had Frank make us some beautiful benches from some of those 6-foot cedar pieces that he dropped from the biggest tree.